How to build a floral basket arch with Tom Bowling. To create this arch, we used 4 coat racks and 4 45-degree PVC socket elbows. You'll also need a variety of willow baskets, woodchip baskets, greenery garlands, silk flower stems or bushes, plenty of floral wire, zip ties or twine, a pair of scissors, and a drill to secure the top of the arch into place. For a written list of materials, check out our blog post. First, you'll need to assemble 2 of the coat racks, standing them upright to create the sides of the arch, letter A. Remove and discard the bases of the 3rd and 4th coat racks. Cut the remaining section into 3 pieces. You'll need 2 pieces that are the same length, shown by letter B, and 1 longer piece for the top of the arch, letter C. To avoid the need to make cuts, use coat racks that come in multiple pieces. Connect the 3 pieces to each other with 45-degree PVC socket elbows, shown by letter D. Attach the other 2 socket elbows to the tops of the standing racks, letter E. However, set aside the top arch piece for now. We'll attach it to the sides later. Wrap your garlands of greenery around the racks, securing them into place with floral wire at the top and bottom. Choose your first basket to add to the coat rack. Attach it to the coat rack by inserting a zip tie through the weaves at the top of the basket. Add a second zip tie to secure the bottom. Attach more baskets around the base, then start working upward. Once you reach the top of one of the coat racks, repeat the process on the other side. It's easier to do so on a table to prevent your arms from getting tired. Then, in the same way, attach baskets to the top portion of the arch. However, leave room at both ends so that you can easily attach the top of the arch to the structure. Once you've added most of the baskets, attach the top of the structure to the standing coat racks, using the PVC corners you attached earlier and a drill, if needed. Then, add more baskets to fill in any empty spots. Next, string additional greenery garlands around and through the baskets. This time, you may choose to leave some of the ends trailing in or out of the baskets to add the illusion of movement and imitate the look of natural growth. Be sure to use floral wire to secure the greenery in place. If you want to easily deconstruct and transport your floral arch, you'll have to secure the greenery and baskets more carefully, paying attention to the intersection points near the top of the arch. In other words, secure greenery or a basket to either the top piece or the side so you can easily separate the arch frame without ruining the other materials. Finally, start adding your silk flowers. You can insert and twist the stems through the weaves in the willow to secure them in place. If needed, feel free to use floral wire or zip ties for extra security, especially at the top of the arch. Vary the placement of different flowers for a more natural, whimsical feel, or experiment with patterns of colors bunched together. Check out our social media for expert tips on floral arrangement. Once finished, step back and admire your beautiful floral arch. This type of statement piece makes a great backdrop or photo op, and is perfect for weddings, parties, and even commercial decor. Since you can easily break it down into 3 pieces for transport and swap out the flowers, it's a fabulous product for event and wedding florists. Wow your customers and show them how it will instantly elevate their event. Find the full instructions and a list of products by visiting pioneerwholesaleco.com/blog or use the link in the description. Get started and shop wholesale now at pioneerwholesaleco.com.